guys, it's Beltrami from Roselle Properties, and it is freaking Friday. I hope you've all recovered from Valentine's Day and you're ready to check out this week's Showcase Home of the Week. It is located at 2222 Willoughby Drive. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story built in 1962. It's 1,843 square feet. They're asking $520,000. It's being brought to you by Sophia Rellis at Realm Real Estate, and she's having an open house this Saturday from 2 to 4. Let's walk this house. So you have this beautiful porch here in the front. As you walk up to the house, you're going to be able to come into this completely remodeled 1962 mid-century modern home. It's light, it's bright, it's got the wood floors, the gray walls, freshly painted, the nice living room, again bringing in all the light. Then from the dining room area, you walk into this remodeled kitchen, cabinets to the ceiling. You have the electric oven, you have the undermount sink, dishwasher, refrigerator, and you have granite countertops, the glass backsplash, just really beautifully done, ready to be moved in. You don't even have to do a single thing in this home. You have the breakfast area here off of the kitchen. You have a large laundry area that has a door out to the backyard, another door here to the backyard, and then you start proceeding down to the bedrooms and the bathrooms. As you come down the hallway to the master bathroom, it faces the back of the home. That's really nice. It's nice and quiet. The wood floors continue into the bedrooms. You have 2 closets here, a small one to the left, this larger one here straight in front of you. And then you have this completely redone modern bathroom, 2 sinks, granite countertops, and you have this beautiful walk-in shower. You continue down the hallway, and here you have the 2nd bedroom with some built-ins. The wood floors continue on in this room as well. And then you continue down the hallway. You have, again, the modern bathroom, double sinks, granite countertops, tile floors, a bath shower combo. Everything's been done in this house. It's completely move-in ready. And then your 3rd and final bedroom in the front of the home. Again, the wood floors continue through, all freshly painted, lots of light, nice and bright. This is just a fantastic home. So guys, what do you think about this beautiful single-story home? You gotta come check it out this Saturday during Sophia's open house. Remember, it's Saturday from 2 to 4. If you'd like to see this home or any other additional homes, don't hesitate to call me. I'd be more than happy to show them to you. You can find my information at the end of this video. Don't forget the interactive link below that shows you all the homes that are having open houses in the Heights and the surrounding area. And I look forward to seeing you next week for the Showcase Home of the Week.